Which of the following is true about the electron configurations of the representative elements? Again, representative elements are the S and P block. So if we separately see this section and this section, it's not drawn in scale actually. So this is from 3A up to 8A. So these are the P block, this is the S block. So S block and P block together they form a representative element. Representative element. So what are the configuration will look like in S block and P block? The highest occupied, which of the following is true about the electron configuration of the okay, the highest occupied S and P sublevels are completely filled. No. If you take in the S group 1, the S is only NS1. Here, NS2. So here, this is not correct. The highest occupied S and P sublevels are partially filled. The highest occupied S and P sublevels are partially filled. The electrons with the highest energy are in a D sublevel. So with representative elements are the P block excluding the especially this group. So the electrons with the highest energy are in a D sublevel. The electrons with the highest energy are in, so this has got no relation with the so the highest occupied S and P sublevels are partially filled. So this is partially filled. So the highest occupied S and P sublevels are. If it is the highest occupied S and P sublevels are completely filled, this will be noble gas. So the answer we have will be B.